Hey, sweet baby.
I'm all curled up. I just woke up from a nap and I just had a lot to eat. I'm feeling pretty good. Got a little burp in there.
You got anything to say, Corinne?
Say, wake up. Wake up. Say hi, Daddy.
She likes Daddy.
Uh-oh.
Did you fill up to the brim? Did you fill up to the brim?
Change the shirt.
You go. You go.
Oh, goodness.
You had a long nap. She may need some more burping, you think?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Let's see, get upright. Maybe that will help a little bit, and then we'll burp. I can still. Ooh!
Oh!
Got both ends at the same time. Let's see her belly button. It's looking good. Got her socks
Looks like a
on.
little cigar.
And Corinne is how many days old now, Daddy?
I think 7.
7 days.
She was born on the 30th. Today is the 4th or 5th. Today's the 5th. 30, 31. Yep, 7 days. Seven days, 2 hours.
She's got beautiful little hands.
She needs some burping, Mama.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Well, goodness.
Oh, my Lord.
Let's see if we can get her to turn this way so you can see her.
Can't get up out of this couch.
Goodness. His hands. She likes to grip. Strong little monkey. Strong monkey. Ooh.
Don't drop her on camera.
Hi.
So she's been getting some food. She goes to the doctor tomorrow. We'll see if she's gained any weight. There's that dimple.
That was a good burp. That was a good one. way. Come back over here. Yeah. Where are you going? Oh. Oh, big yawn.
Oh, Daddy's about to run to the store for some supplies.
Sweet girl. Hey, sweet girl. Oh,
There's
goodness.
a good burp.